Time now for this morning's Flu Watch. A frustrating scene is being played out across the country. People lining up, sometimes by the hundreds, for an H1N1 flu shot, only to be told they've run out. Our Dr. Jennifer Ashton is here with the latest this morning. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Maggie. President Obama declared the H1N1 outbreak a national emergency over the weekend, which should help hospitals cut through red tape and treat patients more efficiently. But it doesn't make it any easier to find the vaccine. It was the same scene playing out at locations across the country this weekend. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of people waiting in line for the H1N1 vaccine. The city of Chicago began vaccinating high-risk groups on Saturday, but hundreds of people were turned away after more than 7,000 available doses were gone. People waiting outside this Baltimore church were disappointed to learn they missed out on the 250 vaccines made available. In Southern California, some clinics are offering a more convenient option, as Dave MALKOFF of KCBS reports.
Here in Los Angeles, the county health department set aside 50,000 doses of the H1N1 vaccine to give away for free this weekend. You can see the lines are long here, but this is nothing compared to the gridlock at another location where folks lined up for hours at a free drive-through vaccination clinic. Yeah, you pull up, you stick your arm out the window, and they give you the shot. That turned out to be so popular that police had to divert people to another one of the 25 locations here.
And at the Iowa State Fairgrounds in Des Moines, where 2,300 doses were administered Sunday, parents were growing increasingly worried about the short supply.
Just concerned that not everybody's going to get a vaccine who needs one.
The latest information from the CDC shows that more than 1,000 Americans have died from H1N1. The virus is responsible for more than 20,000 hospitalizations. Over the weekend, President Obama declared the outbreak a national emergency, a move that should help hospitals deal with the surge of patients. Rick Salinger reports from our Denver station, KCNC.
Here at the Children's Hospital, the presidential declaration is welcome news. It makes it possible now for nurses to handle some of the screening of the patients who come here to the emergency room.
This makes things much easier from an emergency medicine perspective to deal with the large numbers of patients who potentially could need our help.
The declaration will also help ease the transfer of patients between facilities. Here at this hospital, the number of H1N1 cases is down from the peak about 3 weeks ago. It's a trend that they hope will continue.
Now, it's doubtful whether the emergency declaration will have any impact on vaccine production. As of today, about 16 million doses have been made available. Health officials originally expected to have 120 million ready by now. Maggie?
Dr. Jennifer Ashton, thank you, Doctor.